you guys, and welcome back to my channel, Shortcut Couture. And in today's video, I am bringing to you a review from BGM Hair, also known as Black Girl Magic Hair. They sent me a 4x4 closure unit. This is what was in the box. We had some nice little barrettes. They were butterflies, a nice little thank you card with a coupon code in it, as well as some wig caps. Of course, I will be leaving all the information for this wig in the description box per usual. So this is what the wig looks like coming straight out of the box. It is Malaysian hair, 180% density, water wave, 4x4, 24-inch. When I say like this hair was so pretty, like I've never had Malaysian hair before. I didn't know that was even a thing still, but baby, this wig was gorgeous. Like the curl was like literally, it was so pretty. Like it was extremely pretty. It wasn't like your regular like deep wave hair, or you know, like that, like the hair that looks like oodles and noodles throughout the pack. Like it's not that. Like this is not one of them. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. This is what the lace looks like. As I said, this is a 4x4. I am going to go ahead and bleach these knots, but this wig was pre-plucked. For anybody who has those issues with plucking, this is definitely, see what I mean? Like it's not the ooze noodle of the pack. Like it's really giving like a curly hair versus that nasty stiff deep wave oodles and noodles look. Like it's not that. It's like really curly hair straight off the pack. So yeah, let's get into this tutorial. So guys, I had to give my hair a break from all the braids. So these installs, I'm just putting my hair in a nice little tight bun in the back and putting that wig cap right on top. Like that's just how I'm doing it nowadays, because the braids was just too much tension on my hair and I'm just not feeling it. Plus it is a little bit easier when I clip on my wigs with that little clamp at the bottom, put it right under my bun. I feel a little bit more secure. So right now I'm just putting on my wig cap, and then literally guys, I did nothing to this wig except for put it on. Like that's all I had to do. This was the easiest, prettiest wig I think I've ever had, ever. Like seriously, as in like how easy it was to install, the being pre-plucked. The part was pretty much there already. Like there was literally nothing for me to even show you guys. That's why this video is so short, because it literally came out the box ready to wear. Since I bleached the knots, one thing I did do is once I bleached the knots, I conditioned the hair. I didn't even wash it. I just conditioned it with some bamboo silicone mix. Literally, guys, that's all I did to the hair. Let it air dry. I didn't do nothing special, no product, no nothing. I just put it on my head.
To the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday though. Baby, I'll love you one day.
So this is a transparent lace. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go in with my makeup brush and just go over top of that lace. And as you guys can see, that literally does everything. Like there's literally nothing to do with this wig. I mean, of course, if you wanted to, you could glue it down, but it's really not necessary at all. You could do got to be spray, you know, things like that. So of course I'm taking my hot comb. I did use my slick stick a little bit on the top, you know, just to get that top nice and smooth, you know, get it to lay how you want. Hot comb, slick stick, but you know, it's only a 4x4 closure, so there's really not much to do to the wig unless you wanted baby hair or something. But I don't know, I just felt like this wig didn't need all of the extras because the curl is just so pretty on its own. Like I just didn't even want to take away from the curl and add baby hairs and all that good stuff. Like I'm really not sure if only my curly hair girls, like the girls who buy curly hair, are going to understand what I'm saying about this wig. But it's not deep wave. It's actually like a curly hair. Like I think that this hair would look beautiful in a frontal as well. Like I would love to try this hair in a frontal, because like baby, the hair is bomb. I don't know if it's because it's Malaysian or what, but y'all, these curls were so pretty. I'm actually going to insert a picture of what it looked like on the mannequin.
Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you
I never really do that in videos, but I just had to, like, I needed you guys to be able to really see, like, from the iPhone 13 how pretty this hair is. Like, it's really pretty hair. Like, it's so pretty.
Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday.
Alright, you guys, well, that's about it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at KDouture, the same exact name as here on YouTube. Like this video, comment below, let me know what you think. Let me know what companies you want to see me work with, all that good stuff. And of course, I will leave information for this wig in the description. Until next time, you guys, stay positive and be blessed.